welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video, so let's get started. Summer is here. I am also that person who wants winter when it's summer and who wants summer when it's winter. But now it's not extremely hot, so I'm liking the summer right now. Also, lately for some reason, I've been loving yellow, white, pastel yellow shades a lot. So I decided to create one makeup look with yellow tone. So I'm going to be creating this look. Very subtle yellowish look which goes along well with any dark or white attire, or even for if you're planning for a haldi. Enough, stop talking and get to the point. Yeah, let's start. Make sure you wash your face. I've already washed my face and I've done my skincare, so I'm going to dive into the makeup routine now. So I am going to be applying primer, and this is from Inside. The only thing I get irritated about summers is it starts giving birth to a lot of acne. I mean, which I had never asked for. So yeah. Make sure you prep your skin quite well so that it doesn't lead to more acne. So before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna go fill my brows. I kind of have already a little dark eyebrows, so I'm not gonna make it darker. I'm just gonna go fill in the gaps. I kind of have blackish brown eyebrows, so I mix both black and brown. I got this with the eyebrow palette that I have. This, it has a small spoolie and an angled brush, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I just brushed my brows with the spoolie and I'm just gonna fill it in. I'm a little blind, so I'll make sure I dive inside the mirror.
I started filling in my brows from the center, not from the beginning.
I will just comb it off.
Comb your brows after you fill it so that everything else sets in quite perfectly and it looks more natural.
Quickly, I'm gonna be doing this eyebrows also. Okay, done. Okay, next step is foundation, and I am using Mamaearth's Vitamin C foundation.
I applied foundation dot wise and then just took a beauty blender and blended it all in.
I don't know if anybody has said you this. Whenever you're buying foundation, always try to buy a shade that is a little 1% lighter than your shade, because foundations kind of get oxidized. Generally, it gets darker over time. Don't forget your neck. Foundation done. I'm okay with my acne or acne marks being evident, and so I go with light coverage. If you are not okay with, and if you feel a little insecure, then go with full coverage. There are so many people who add on freckles as a makeup when there are few people who are trying to cover it. So just in case if you're kind of insecure, oh my god, why do I have so much of acne marks and other people have so superb skin, it's you and it's your skin and it's okay. Next step, concealer. I don't know if you have seen this geometry concealer technique on shorts and reels. It's been trending and I've been trying that out and it kind of works, so I'll do the same thing. First, I apply dot under my eyes and go ooh. And then near my nose, I draw a triangle. Then over here one triangle. Then let's put one Nama. For those who don't know what's Nama, Google it. This side became a square. Ignore. Over here, just below where you're going to contour, light up. I'm going to go with the scootiest blender and blend it all. I've been sleeping very late quietly and I've got a lot of dark circles. I generally don't color correct because I don't have that extreme dark circles, but because, as I mentioned, I'm not sleeping on time, my dark circles are looking grayish. I've applied concealer. I'm just going to go with little orange very light orange eyeshadow because I don't have a color collector. As I said, I never color correct.
I then just applied concealer over that orange eyeshadow and just blended it all in again.
I'll do my nose contouring first and then start my eyeshadow.
I started contouring from my eyes till my nose bridge and then joined it in, and I also drew it near my nostrils and blended it all in.
Next, I'm gonna go with my eyes.
Now you already know the drill. I just applied thin layer of concealer and blended it all in.
This is going to be a little more, just not yellow, but a little touch of orange also. I'm gonna go with this yellow and apply my entire eyelids.
Took this yellow eyeshadow directly as my base and I blended it all in, and I repeated this step twice to get a good base.
I'm gonna be taking this mangoish yellow and merge with this light yellow.
I applied this only in the outer corner of my eyes and slowly started blending it till my center of my eyes to have that end finish, and I repeated this twice.
I'm gonna be taking this darkest orange and just
apply in my outer corner of my eyes and slowly kind of blend in with the other yellow so that it gives that perfect sunset finish matte look.
I have this white kajal, so I'm just going to use it as a base, and I'm just doing that half cut.
And then I took some white eyeshadow, just cut half of the crease and did not go full. And with that I just blended all of that white with a yellow, but still leaving a little white near my inner corner of the eyes. Lastly, I just took that first yellow which I had taken from my eyeshadow
And merge it all.
And merged them all together for one final layer of this eyeshadow look.
Next, I'm going to be taking white eyeliner.
Started applying as thin as possible with a small wing at the end and tag that wing along with the eyeliner, and also added one small little star at the end of that wing and a small circle just to kind of make it a little more Pinteresty.
Then apply white kajal only in the inner corner and outer corner of the kajal zone. So this is the eye look that I've decided. I'm just going to copy paste the same this side. Done both the eyes. So whatever was rest in this brush, I've just added it under my eyes like this. I've not yet added the highlighter. I'll be adding it in the last because I'm just waiting for this eyeliner to kind of dry.
I did not want my features to be sharp and bold. That's the reason I've gone with half cut contouring that looks very smooth and subtle.
Next, I'm gonna go with sugar setting powder and start baking. While this is baking, I'll finish my lip. So for today, I've taken a little pop and bold colors for my eyes. I'm gonna go a little low-key with my lips. So first, I'm gonna take this brown lip liner from Miss Cloud. Just outline my lips.
While you're outlining your lips, make sure you kind of blend it with the lips and not kind of draw it very hard and dark.
I am going to go with beigeish nude color and apply and then smudge both of it. On this, I'm just gonna apply some lip gloss. For blush, I'm going a little different. I'm gonna mix mangoish color with a little pink. I'm gonna take it from my eyeshadow palette itself. So I'm gonna be mixing this mango with this shade.
While I started applying the blush, at the same time I also got rid of all that translucent or baking powder, as you say.
Now I'm gonna be highlighting. My inner corner of my eyes, I am going to be going with this lightest yellow shade that I have.
As I had gone with white as my eyeliner, I did not go glitter near my inner corner of my eyes.
And I'm gonna go with gold. Now that the makeup is done, I'll just be back in a second with a good hair and dress makeover. So okay, so this is done. So I just looped it with one pearl hoop. So this is the final look. I am actually loving it. So what do you think of this yellowish sunset summer look? Comment down and let me know. If you have tried this, please let me know in the comments below. This makes us come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it and you enjoyed it. And if you did, then give a big fat thumbs up because it really means a lot to me. And also, please do subscribe. Don't forget that. I'll meet you all in my next video. Until then, bye!